If you're planning a trip to the Eiffel Tower this year, you may be wondering if you need to book a tour guide, pre-purchase tickets, or if you can just walk right up and experience it. Well, let me tell you. I mean, look at that. How lucky are we? Welcome to Paris with the 5 Hungry Travelers. When we landed in Charles de Gaulle on our day flight from JFK, we went straight to bed. The next morning, we hopped on the subway and headed to the quintessential site in the City of Light. Nora has been asking to visit Paris for years now, and we were so excited to make this her big day.
Nora.
What?
What do you see up there?
Oh, the Eiffel Tower?
Yeah.
Can we go there?
You see it? It's right up
And
there.
I love it.
Just looking around Paris.
Yes. But I'm actually only looking at the Eiffel Tower.
Does it kind of look like the France Pavilion at Epcot?
I don't know the French Pavilion.
I think that's where we went on the Ratatouille ride.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so reality check. As much as a daytime flight makes you feel great when you land, we still had to deal with jet lag. I still couldn't sleep last night. I'm gonna be living with like 4 hours of sleep today, and we'll see how I feel after that. But I still think it's a really good option. I just was staring at the ceiling a lot when I should have been sleeping. But we'll see if this coffee smoothie gets me up and going this morning.
How many feet is that?
I don't know, but maybe we'll learn when we go up.
Is it 10 feet or 100 feet? We're almost close to the Eiffel Tower.
Right across from the Eiffel Tower. They're setting up stands for the Olympics. We visited shortly before the 2024 Paris Olympics arrived, and the city was busy preparing. The crowds were already in full force, so expect even more tourists if you're visiting this summer.
I thought it was tour guide, not tour guide.
Oh, tour guy. No, it's a gal. Okay, last night we arrived later in the evening, and then we took our car down to our Airbnb, which meant that we didn't actually get to sleep until pretty close to midnight. And then this morning is probably our earliest morning because we need to get up and out, maybe get a little bit of breakfast, and then meet here a half hour before our tour started, which starts at 9, before the Eiffel Tower starts at 9:30. So anyway, we left our Airbnb, walked 3 blocks. It was a pretty easy walk to get to our metro station. We bought our metro tickets. Worth noting, so unlike in New York where you can use a metro card and swipe as many people in as you want, each person needs to have their own card. But the kids, thankfully, are half price. So we bought 3 cards for the kids, half price, 3 cards for the adults. Got out, found a gluten-free vegan place where we got some smoothies. It was basically something to get us started because there weren't a lot. We couldn't find a whole lot of other options open this morning early enough in this neighborhood. So that was what it was.
It's yet another vacation where we have encountered a holiday. It's Easter Monday, which is still observed by some businesses, and some places are closed today. So the place we initially planned to go was closed.
And now we're online and waiting for the security check for the tower to open up.
But considering it's chilly, it's a little more of a wait than just walking up. And even if you have a pre-booked tour, there's some wait involved.
How many feet is the Eiffel Tower? 10 or 100?
How many meters? 330 meters.
Stand in line, go through security, then you stand in line and get tickets, even if you pre-purchased a tour. And you stand in line and go through a second security before you go up the elevator. It takes a while.
So I'm taken by some of the intricate stuff that you don't actually see until you're right here, right up close, that you certainly can't see from afar. But this like heart-like steel work.
So the elevator here has to go at a diagonal.
So it's like a slide.
What?
Yeah.
We recommend a carrier. And if you bring a stroller, one that folds up small.
Voilà, deuxième étage, changement d'ascenseur pour le sommet. Second floor, change of elevator for the top.
Pocket at 10:49 a.m.
We're here. This is the second level, so it's not the lowest, but it's not all the way up to the top because that's a little too high for me.
I don't want to go any closer.
There's a second level,
I'm gonna go do it.
so you don't have to be nervous about falling if you stay here because there's still that little ledge, right? Nothing to be nervous about.
No, but also the first level has like a giant gating.
Yeah, so that helps too. You feel pretty safe?
No. I only feel safe if you subscribe.
There she is. She's on the Eiffel Tower looking so French. And you're looking pretty American, buddy. You want to look French? You gotta be sophisticated.
No.
Of course, the views of the city were incredible, and the structure itself a marvel. I'm so glad to have checked this off my bucket list and to have done it with my kids. Be shocked. The thing Nora wants to do most is shop. Oh, it's very busy in here.
I like busy.
You like busy shop? Okay.
So we ended up on the upper half of the second floor. There's a lower half of the second floor where they have more snack bars, and I did check the macarons and they all have trace amounts of gluten and they all have dairy. So we did not get anything there, unfortunately. I wasn't sure what they would have, but
We will find a macaron on this trip.
I'm sure.
Just not
At
the Eiffel Tower. It is busy. I mean, we got here first thing in the morning. Actually, nearly an hour before they open. And it's chaotic. So if that's not your scene, maybe just enjoy it from the ground. And now we wait in line for the elevator to go back down.
I don't like the Eiffel Tower.
Oh.
We won't let him write any reviews on any travel websites. It's a beautiful park. And over here, I see very fancy French toilets. Not really.
So I liked about it to be with my family.
You're so sweet. Mm-hmm.
No. And the thing that I didn't like was the maroons.
Macaron. Why
Because
not?
it has gluten in there.
What did you think of the Eiffel Tower?
Medium.
Why is it medium?
Because I did get a gift from the gift shop.
I think it is an amazing structure. I think if you can get close to it and you can enjoy it from the ground, it probably will suffice. I don't know that the weight and the investment are worth it.
It's a one and done.
Well, it's not true because I've now done it this is now the third time I've done it, so clearly not.
No, ma'am, keep walking. 1, 2, 3. And then we went to a 100% gluten-free restaurant for lunch, but that will wait for our Paris food video. The Eiffel Tower was magical, and after this first day getting acclimated, we were ready to sightsee all over Paris. We'll show you the top places to see with your family next time. We're so grateful you've joined us here today, and we'll see you next time, travelers. Au revoir!